Welcome to another video. My name is Sander, and do you want to add some additional storage to your F-Series truck? In this case I have an F150, and for less than 20 bucks you can easily access way more storage. Stick around as I'll exactly show you how to install. I'll link the parts that I used in the description below. So this is the part in question. It's 7 Sparta. It's really just a latch. It comes with 2 pieces. It comes with the latch itself and the bracket, and installation is a breeze. All you require for this installation is a T27 screwdriver. Now, if you have never put your back seat down, the easiest way to do it is you pull this up, flip it up, and back here there's a little latch mechanism. Now, this is where it will go, so to make this much easier moving forward, I've just done this. I can flip the back seat down. And this is the mechanism we're going to take off, put the bracket around it, reinstall it, and then putting the back seat down moving forward, it's going to be much easier. So to start, we're going to remove the screws. Now you have to save the screws, so don't toss them or lose them. So important to note is there is a little pin here, so in order to remove this you have to slide up and out. Now that we have the bracket out, what we need to do is install the main brackets. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna slide it in like this. Make sure the holes are aligned, and here, right here is where we're gonna put the latch around. So what I'm gonna do is take the latch, pull it through the opening here, mount it around the pin and slide it back. So as you can see now, if I pull on the latch, it opens the mechanism. So that's done. Now all we have to do is slide it back. Slide that in first and make sure the holes are lined up. This, and then you simply put the screws back in. And now it's installed. So if I pull it now, it will unlatch it. This is the view from the other side. So again, I just put the original bolts back in, here and here. And as you can see, now the latch mechanism works. Now, I already used the storage here before. However, now with this latch, it's much more easily accessible rather than trying to poke around, finding this little latch piece and doing it then. Now all you need to do is put your back seat back. If you want to unlatch it, all you do is pull the strap moving forward, and you now have your additional storage. I recommend this for any F-Series truck owner. It's such an easy install. It gives you a ton of extra storage that is easily accessible. Go order the piece if you don't have it yet. In addition, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to this channel.